What's up, guys? My name's Miles. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox an engine guard that I purchased off of eBay. Here it is. This cost $80 on eBay. The reason I decided to get an engine guard, there are three reasons. The first reason is aesthetically, I just like the way that it looks. The Mustache engine guard looks. Two, to protect the engine, I did just spend like $1,500 on the Hammer Performance 1250 kit. If I lay the bike down or anything, at least the engine will be protected. The third reason is I want to add a little bit more weight to the bike. I feel like this is a good way to do it, you know, adding luggage or the engine guard, just to add some more weight to the bike so that, you know, when I'm on the highway, the bike's not so shaky. It just helps prevent that. So yeah, those are the three reasons that I got it. So we're gonna open it up, check out the quality of it, and then we're gonna install it. Like I said, this was $80. I tried to bargain with the guy, you know, make a bid for a little less, and he said no. So if they don't accept the bid, that really kind of tells me that it actually might be a good quality product. I've never really been a fan of engine guards, but for some reason I really like the look of the Mustache engine guard for the Sportster. Wow, it is wrapped very nicely. It comes with the pads that you put on the engine guards, or the foot pads where you would rest your feet. Yeah, this looks nice. Not bad at all. Said it weighs about 10 pounds. Feels like that. This is not bad at all. Nope, no instructions. I feel like this would be a pretty simple installation. We'll have to see. Comes with the mounting hardware. These are actually pretty heavy duty. Comes with 4 bolts, 2 pins, and 2 pads. So let's see where this mounts on the bike. Oh goody, unforeseen obstacles. Okay, it looks like it mounts to this bracket right up underneath here. So I'm gonna have to get these out, and then it looks like it also mounts right down here. So just looking at this, it does not look like it's gonna be fun. Also, something that was not planned on, another unforeseen obstacle, is the Arlen-Ness air cleaner. I don't know how my leg's gonna rest on this engine guard, but to be honest, I really don't care if I can or not, because this air cleaner is pretty badass. So it might just have to wait to actually rest my feet on it on the highway until I get a different air cleaner, which who knows how long that's going to be. In order to get access to these two, I'm going to have to remove the horn right here using the infamous 10mm. I'm going to take the horn and move it to the side so I can get to those screws. So I've got the horn bracket removed, the horn's hanging down a little bit, and that gives me enough room to get to these Torx screws, bolts, whatever they are. Okay, I'm using a little towel there to cover the fender so that I do not scratch it. this bottom part does not want to bend at all. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So here's the hardware that comes with the kit. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lick tit on them and bolt the bottom down and then tighten up here. This is just gonna have to bend a little bit, I guess. I'm gonna have to push it in and then bolt it on, which is gonna be a tricky son of a bitch. Okay, the engine guard is installed, horns put back on. That was a little bit more work than I anticipated, but I mean, what do you expect? It's got to be bolted to the frame. It's not going anywhere. So, next is going to be putting these on. I mean, it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on here. So this obviously goes on the engine guard, and then you have to thread this little pin through all of them to hold it on there. So what I'm doing is putting a little grease on it. Makes it a little bit easier. Just slide it through. It does look like I'll still be able to put my foot here even with the air cleaner, but it is definitely in the way, but it's not in the way too much. All right, so there it is, guys. $80 engine guard from China or wherever the hell it came from. I got it on the bike. That took a little bit longer than I expected, and actually putting those little rubber grips on the end was the most difficult part of the whole thing. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it, and like I said, it's going to protect the engine, it's going to put more weight on the bike, and it looks good. So thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I put out content pretty frequently, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.